There we go. Hello, everyone. Now I hope you can hear me. I think I hit the mic off accidentally when I was trying to put it into the holder. So I was saying, let me know if you can hear me. Give me a thumbs up. So yesterday I missed a day of doing my live because it was a really important day for my brother-in-law. Thank you, Rose, for letting me know. So he just launched like the first screening of his movie. It's called Stealing Vows, and so we went to go see the movie. And as I was saying, like, he had a lot of challenges finishing this movie because he started it pre-COVID, and the movie is all about Indian weddings. And you know, Indian weddings are large gatherings and all of that, and you weren't allowed to have any of that through COVID. So I know towards the end of 2021, we had to literally hold a fake wedding so he could finish his movie. It was quite a lot of fun. And so, you know, it was also fun to watch the movie to see which family members were in the movie, right? Because we were all the extras. So it was a lot of fun. And so, yeah, that's why we were busy with all the preparation and all of that. And pretty much, you know, we had to leave midday, drive down to downtown Toronto. The screening was amazing, and then they had a little Q&A after, and with all the actors and himself. And so, you know, as I'm listening to him and everyone talk about, you know, their journey through this process, you know, he shared with us how, because someone asked, how did the idea come about for the movie? And he said, you know, there was, you know, me, a broke producer, and a broke actor, and a broke, you know, just all these people that were just at their wits' end and thought, that's it. This is all, if this is all life has to offer, like, what are we doing, right? And somehow he was able to get it all together, get it done. And I mean, he didn't have a huge budget for this movie, but still, the movie is fantastic. But his whole point was never, ever, ever give up on your passion. You know, and he said, look, because I think he's about 52 maybe, and he's like, if I can be making my first movie at 52, like, never give up hope. There's, like, always, just when you think it's, you know, done, is sometimes when it starts. And I know I can share that for myself with the restaurant. Like, I had 3 restaurants, and then I had 2, and then in COVID I lost 1, and then I just had 1, and even that one they were trying to, you know, shut me down and do everything else. And that's when I found my voice. Like, when your back is right against the wall, right? Oh, Lori, hi. Yeah, no, the movie is called Stealing Vows. It's not out yet. My brother-in-law made the movie, and it's all about, there is a decorator, a DJ, a photographer, and a caterer, and how they're all, you know, they're in their lives, they're having tough times, and how they decide to do heists at these weddings, right? Because there's always so much money and jewelry and everything at Indian weddings. And so, yeah, that's what the movie is about. And thank you, Rose. Yes, Stealing Vows. And I was saying that for me, like, when I thought I was going to lose the restaurant and my back was against the wall, was when I felt like I have to do something. And in taking the stand that I did, I found my inner power. And it's really amazing when you connect with that part of yourself where no fear resides. You know, and I remember saying, and I'll still say it, that if this is the hill I die on, I'm going to be okay. Because I got to stand in my truth. I got to stand for my purpose, right? And through all that time I landed on my purpose, right? It was really funny because, I mean, you know, my family has been doing restaurant business for like decades, right? So I just assumed that was my legacy to leave, that was my journey, my path. only to realize, no, that was just a vehicle to get me to the place where I would finally land on to find my passion and purpose and live it. Because I can tell you, I feel that I landed on my life. And heck, if he's like 52, I'm 55. And I finally feel like I'm just growing up, like I'm just coming to life, like I'm just starting to really step into my own. And so, anyone who's out there feeling distraught, no, just sit with it and go, what is it? Because we each have our own, for me to do such a drastic switch, but then feel so comfortable with it, right? Well, what causes that? What makes that possible? And to me, that possibility is because I'm finally aligned with my passion and purpose, right? So again, why do I keep talking about this every day? Because it's just that important. That is where true happiness lies. That is where true joy and bliss is. That is heaven on earth, when you can be here and just be joyful every day because you know how you're meant to serve humanity, right? That's where we get our purpose from, right? Someone could have everything given to them and be miserable because they don't know their purpose. We all want to feel like we matter, and when we matter is when we've made an impact, right? So like I said, I'm so excited to be enjoying everything. People ask me, like, how is it that you're doing this and this and this and this? And I'm like, you know what? Because I stand in trust. I believe that whatever needs to get done will get done in due time. So I just do my best. And whatever doesn't get done, well, then I just go, okay, you know what? It just wasn't meant to be done in that time frame, right? That it's still going to get done, but it'll get done right when it needs to get done, because nothing ever gets left undone, right? I do somehow manage to get it all done. And sometimes it's just that I got to find the right person to go, oh, I need to do this. I don't know how. And they'll go, oh, it's okay, I got this. And off they go. So it's a matter of just being aware, right? And if you're feeling that you are so just out of focus and not really getting anywhere, you're spinning your wheels, and it feels like every day is just Groundhog Day all over again, right? Because for a long time, that's all it felt like for me. Every morning I'd get up at 5, 6 in the morning and off to open the restaurant, right? And just do the same thing. Different day, same thing, over and over and over again. And so you really, really have to, take the time. You have to slow it down. And you have to take the time and go, what is my purpose? What is my passion? What really makes me happy? What makes me so giddy when I'm doing it that I just know that it's filling me up, and in turn the overflow is going to just ignite everyone around me with that same passion and purpose, right? With that same, to find theirs, not necessarily to, they're not going to want to do what you want to do, but then that excitement makes them want to go search out. What is it that I'm meant to do? How is it that I'm meant to serve? And honestly, when you come into that space, then you're not, there's no comparison, because there is no other you. It is just you. And then you can just stand in that and go, here's my gift. This is what I bring. And so, like I said, if you're struggling with that or don't even know where to start, we are doing the Health and Healing Circle in November. And, I've been telling the price. I do believe it's going to go up soon. So get it in. If you're thinking about it, I wouldn't wait another second, right? Give me a call or get on BraveHeartNation.com and just get signed up, because the price is going up soon. So don't hesitate, because you lose it in that hesitation. That becomes our downfall, right? When you're like, and then you're kicking yourself later going, oh, I wish I'd done that. Oh, I wish. And don't live this life in regret. If it's calling to you, pick up the phone, call me at 705-828-2257, or go to braveheartnation.com. Get all the information you need there and get it done, because your best life awaits you. What are you waiting for? It's waiting for you. Anyway, I need to get on to all the other things I got to do today, but I did want to apologize because I missed yesterday, but it's only because I thought I was going to be in a movie. And again, I'm being told that I am in the movie, but I'm going to have to watch it again to see, because I was too much into the movie to be looking for myself. But in any case, I hope you're all having the best day ever. I love you. Bye.